All right, this is a classic question. It asks for the equation of the line that goes through these 2 points right here. And they want it in 2 different forms. Well, the easiest form to do is called point slope form. Point slope form is the easiest. And we already have 2 points, so we already have half of our equation. We just have to find the slope. And then the other way that we're going to write it is in slope-intercept form, because that's the most popular form to write equations of lines in. So first of all, we're going to find the slope. And how do we find the slope? Remember, we take the y's minus the x's. Just make sure you do it carefully. So the slope is the rise over the run. And so I'm going to take 7 minus 5 all over 4 minus 3, which is 2 over 1, which is just 2. So slope is 2. Now that I know the slope, I can write an equation in point slope form. I'm going to take either point. Let's just take 3, 5. It's a little bit smaller. And let's write my equation out. Remember, my equation in point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So I write it out. Y minus, the y coordinate is 5, so y minus 5 equals m, which is 2, times x minus 3. So make sure when you're doing this that you're plugging in the right stuff. I want to plug in for these 3 values there. The x and the y are always going to be part of my equation, but the other things need to be filled in. So that's one answer. And the other answer is to go ahead and distribute this out and write it in slope-intercept form, which is, of course, y equals mx plus b. And again, which ones do I want to fill in with numbers? The ones that aren't the x and the y. So I want to fill in m and b. Well, I already have m. I don't know what b is, but neither one of these is my y-intercept. B is your y-intercept. To find it, the easiest thing to do is just to take this equation that I've already solved for and put it into this form by solving for y. So I'll do that right now. Distribute the 2 in. I get 2x minus 6. Y minus 5 equals 2x minus 6. Now I add 5 to both sides. Y equals 2x. When I add 5, I get negative 1. There's my answer in slope-intercept form. Done.